Hello, parents. I believe you all must be doing a wonderful job as a parent, as a teacher, and sometimes as a friend to your child. Given these times where we are uncertain whether the schools are going to reopen or maybe the children have to continue with this virtual learning, let's ensure that the child feels comfortable while taking virtual classes. As an educator, I have seen that most of the parents make immense effort while the child is into virtual learning. Yet, there are few things I would like to point out which I feel are essential from an educator's perspective that the parents do from their side to give a child a comfortable learning atmosphere. Creating a table and a chair for the child to have the classes is really essential. I feel getting the child to sit on a sofa or a bed is it's not a good idea because the child may not realize the sanctity of learning from home in that case. So creating a good atmosphere is very essential because child is used to going to school, and in the school they know there is a certain place and there is a certain atmosphere and then there is a certain schedule which they have. We need to mirror the same at home, at least for certain time, for sure. It will not only make it easy for all of us as a parent, but will also make it less stressful. So we have to ensure that this, the learning station is comfortable for them. Now, when the child is attending the virtual class, as a parent, I feel it's a good idea not to take calls and be loud in the background, because it makes it very embarrassing for the child not to, how does the child react? Child doesn't know. Maybe the child is muted. Still, there may be a chance where the video is not muted, and the whole class gets to hear that sound from the background. So it becomes very embarrassing for the child in that case. So this is one point I feel it's very essential. One more point which I would like to mention is ensuring that the child, when is ready to attend the virtual class, has stationery available next to them. This makes it easy, less waste of time, and child is again ready with learning material. One more thing which again is very essential is avoiding lot of movement behind. Having a good backdrop where you don't give a view of your personal space, I believe is very, very essential. If there is a lot of movement behind, one is the whole class gets distracted, and it's like somebody entering your personal space. So again, it is distracting for the whole class, and also the child feels very uncomfortable because of that. Small children may not realize, but I think the children who are able to understand, they may definitely feel very odd about it. Fourth thing I would like to mention is, for small children, there are classes where there is a lot of movement, especially small children who go to preschools or maybe kindergarten children or maybe primary school children. So it's very essential when the child has been given a space where the child is attending this virtual class to give enough space for the child to do some actions or maybe move. So this is one point I believe can be taken care. One very, very important point which has come across and which has been pointed out by many people is pointing at the teacher's way of teaching and learning style. I feel children believe a lot in teachers. So, pointing out at the teacher's learning style may create a mistrust and also sometimes confusion in child's mind. So, be very careful how do you describe their teacher. And these are the times when we are getting to see the teachers, and which was not possible because in schools we don't get to see how the learning is happening, and yet the child gets a good learning from schools, and the child does well. So have trust in the way the teacher is teaching. Yes, if there is something specific you need to put it across, I believe it should be personally dealt with. You can talk to the teacher in that case. One more last point which I would like to put it across is wearing sensible clothing. So, since the child is not going to be in the uniform, it makes a lot of sense to make them wear something which is comfortable, something they feel more confident with. So, all these very small things from an educator's perspective, I felt that I really need to put it across to the parents. Thank you so much for listening, and happy virtual learning. I believe as the children are attending these classes, the mothers or maybe fathers also are getting a good chance to revise what they had learned in their childhood. So happy learning. Let's enjoy these COVID times in a very different way, and let's create a very good atmosphere for children, mini learning atmosphere for children at home. Thank you for listening. This is Neelam from Open Wonder Learn. Thank you so much.